So we're the group of CMPS 380F, and right now I'm here to introduce our group project. So let's start with the ideal. So as you can see from the screen, right now I click the button run the Hover project. So the Hover project is running right now. Okay, so as you can see from the console, the whole project is running successfully, and the our default account, teacher and the student, is already being created or say registered. So let me come back to the browser. So I click refresh right now. So the project's open on the localhost 8080. And right now I click the register, and I want to create a new student ID. So, and I choose Mike as our username, and I create a password and a email address and also a full name. And right now I could select my role as a teacher or as a student. And right now I choose as a student and click register right now. So let me log in as a teacher because teacher is already being registered on the project itself, so I don't need to register again. So come back to the login page and click login. And here's the main pages of the Hover project. And the first function is called the vote management. And going to the management console, and I could create a new vote or a new poll. And right here, you could select the question you want to be. And okay, for example, we want to ask our students the favorite fruit. Then we could got like apple or anything else. I just represent easily as using a capital like a B or C or D. Then I just click the submit. Then you can see right now we had successfully made a vote, and I could simply click every selection, no matter it's apple or B or C or D or orange or whatever else, and I could click this button to submit my vote. Then I could see the result right here, and also I could write my comment. For example, I'll ask everybody these are nice pages, and I submit my comment, and it says yes. And I also could change my selection right here. No matter I select C or D or B or Apple, I could change my vote. Okay, and go back to the another function. I simply click go back to the voting list and go back to the main page. I could go to my lecture arrangement, and by clicking look the lecture, right now I could create a new uh you could say lesson name. For example, I click Java and add to the lesson, then click add a lecture. And right now I choose which lesson I have created before because we only create Java. So here's only get one lesson called Java. And we're using lecture one as a lecture name. Then click add lecture. And right now you can see the all lecture list here. And here is the lecture we created before. And we're clicking have a look. You could go into this page. And right here you could upload some PDF or other file by simply clicking choosing file. Then we will go to the file manager. Simply go find some PDF, I think. Okay, by choosing this two. So we choose two file and submit it to the lecture one pages. So we are not only could submit one file, but also could submit multiple files. And another one is other references or the other file. So uh, for example, I want a video. Then by clicking submitting references, I could submit a video using a link. So by clicking this one, I will go to the uh, video pages using the hyperlink. And another one is still the comment. So we set the comment function in our pages. So teacher still could asking student, is this a good page? All right, so here's the lecture. So let's go back to the main pages again. Another one is student management. When you click manage student, you could go see the specific information. So the first one is student one, which is we created before in the ideal. Yes, and another one is Mike. So this account is we created in the register page, and we could using update to update student number by simply clicking update. So the however information is be changed, but we couldn't change the password for sure as that is private things, but we still could change the name and also phone number and the email. Okay, and let's go back to the personal information. When clicking the added information, added personal informations, you could go in here to change your email address or full name or phone number, whatever. But you can change your rule obviously. And for example, I want to change my teacher's email address to another one. And by simply clicking update information, as you say, you could change easily and go back to the main page. And now we log out the student, the teacher portal, I'm sorry. Okay, right now, let's show we're using the account we registered before by simply clicking login. And when you click give a look in the vote page, clicking this button, and you could go to my favorite fruit, sorry, which is created before by the teacher account. And you could select the selection you want. Like for example, I like apple, and I just say submit the vote. And as you can see, the result of vote is changing. And also I could see the comment that teacher gave me before. It is a nice page, and as I student, I think yes, it's a very nice page, and just submit my comment and go back to the vote list and go back to the main pages. I could go to my lecture to see the lecture that I registered or attend before. I go here and click lecture one Java, and I can see the file. And when I click it, it will download on my computer automatically, and also see the video that teacher posted before, and also replying the comment that teacher posted before. Yes, absolutely. And submit comment and go back to the lecture list, go back to the main pages, and also I could add my own information. Like for example, I change my phone number right now, then I change it to another new one, and by clicking update information, so the hover things to be updated, and go back to the main pages and log out again. And let me log into the main page using teacher account again to show you how to delete something. So this time I want to delete this vote because it's over time where everyone has finished it. So I just by clicking end the vote and also delete the vote. When you end the vote, you couldn't select any. And another one is the lecture. Also, you could delete the lecture if the lecture is over time. And it will show you the lecture is be deleted. And also manage student. If this student is already graduate or have some issue, you could delete the student account easily. And right now the student account is been deleted. And another one is personal information that which we showed before. And we're just clicking log out teacher account. Right now we're already logged out. So this is our project. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.